Hello everyone, it's me Indra Kumar Mehta. This is our website for Fun Olympics Game 2024 and this is homepage of our website. This is navigation panel where you can see live button, sports, gallery, athletics, profile, logout and login. Let's start with the login. This is login page. If you have an account, you can easily log in here. If you don't have an account, then you can register here. This is user registration page. Let's start with user registration. Put username, first name, last name, email address, country, mobile number, sports, password, and re-enter confirm password and register. Here you can see user profile was successfully created and logged in. Let's log out and log in with that user credential. Here you can see login was successfully. Go to home page, clicking on the logo of the website. This is the trailer of the game, user can see, and this is the bottom to watch live. You can easily click on this button to watch live. This is the slide gallery. You can see footage from games. This is frequently asked question section where some question answer about game. To query about game. This is the location of the game where main games are happen in that location. This is feedback section where user can easily send us to feedback from game experience. Let's do some feedback. Put name and email. And send feedback. Go back. This is the footer of website. Here you can easily navigate some page of this website and contact information and social media handle accounts. Let's watch live from live event. Here you can watch live game and enjoy the game. Here you can see related games. This is comment section. You can do some comment. Let's some comment. Here you can see comment. Here you can see your favorite game. This is the gallery where you can see some footage from the game. This is the athletics page. Here you can see players profiles. From profile you can see your profile. Here your information. From this button you can edit your profile. Edit your number and update. Here you can see successfully update. From my account you can change your password. Let's change password. Enter current password. Enter new password. Update password. Here you can see password is successfully updated. Let's log in from admin account. This is the dashboard of our website. Here you can see users accounts, status, roles, their email addresses, their name, their user's name. You can simply manage their account from here. Let's delete their accounts. Confirm deletion. The account was successfully deleted. And also you can reset their password, view profile. This is the comment section where user comments are appears. Here if some negative comments you can easily remove. And this is feedback section. Here you can see user feedback, name, email, their comment,